Salams and hello, friends. Thanks for checking out another Eats Meets West recipe. These are thoroughly tried and tested recipes that are perfect for fun family meals, like today's spin on a favorite, chicken burrito bowls. I use a shawarma spice blend for the chicken, and I have an easy, tasty recipe for cilantro lime rice. This dish is a fusion of incredible Mexican and Middle Eastern flavors to jazz up a good old favorite. Let's get started. First, let's make the cilantro lime rice. I'm using 2 cups of basmati or basmati rice. Wash the rice at least 3 times to clear any grit or dust, and then place the drained rice in a pot and cover with water. You don't have to measure an exact amount of water, but it should be about 2 inches above the rice in the pot. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and bring the pot to a boil on medium high heat. At this point, cook the rice for about 14 minutes or so until the rice puffs up to the top of the pot. We're not looking for the water to be completely absorbed in this recipe because at this point you would need to drain the water from the rice in a colander. Place the drained rice in a bowl and cool to room temperature before adding 2 cups of chopped cilantro, 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, along with 3 tablespoons of olive oil and the juice of 2 limes. Lightly toss the rice with a spatula to distribute the seasonings. Now for the chicken. Take about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast and cut into half-inch bite-sized pieces. To this, add 2 teaspoons of shawarma seasoning. This is readily available at many Middle Eastern or Indian grocery stores these days. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of ground turmeric, a half teaspoon of red chili powder or cayenne, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix this together and then heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet on medium-high heat. Fry the chicken for 5 minutes and then cover and cook on medium-low until the chicken is tender and gets a little crispy. This should take around 15 minutes or so. Cool the chicken until still warm but not piping hot. Making the burrito bowl is really a personal thing, so I just lay out all my ingredients: the fragrant and tangy cilantro lime rice, the chicken shawarma bites, a can of black beans that I've drained and rinsed, along with some Mexican cheese, sour cream, pico de gallo, and guacamole for everyone to layer how they want. This is perfect for all kinds of parties. If you want the recipe for an easy peasy pico and guac, please check out my pulled beef taco video for recipes on how to make them fresh at home. This recipe is another crowd-pleasing favorite that's made even more delicious with a fusion twist. A fun party idea would be to make the chicken shawarma bites and the pulled beef from my taco video and have a Chipotle-style dinner buffet. Add corn and shredded lettuce for extra veggies too. Who wouldn't love that? I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think. As usual, recipe details are in the description box below. Thanks for sticking around till the end, friends. With salam!